rocks on this beach were not always smooth and round. You decide. How did these rocks get so smooth and round? Over many, many years, the action of waves and the process of rocks rubbing against each other caused them to become rounded. Over time, the rocks also became smaller. Weathering is the process responsible for breaking down rocks and other materials on Earth's surface into smaller and smaller pieces. Some agents of weathering include moving water, ice, and even chemicals in rainwater. The Grand Canyon, which is nearly a mile deep, has been worn down over millions of years by weathering. The Colorado River at the bottom of the canyon is responsible for carrying away materials weathered from the canyon walls. Erosion is the process of transporting weathered rocks, particles, and sediments from one place to another. So, through the process of weathering and erosion, rocks are broken down into smaller and smaller pieces, which are then carried away by moving water, wind, or other forces to another place. Is a sedimentary rock, but when buried and put under intense heat and pressure, shale can change into a metamorphic rock called schist. Schist is a common rock in the Green Mountains of Vermont. If schist is put under even more heat and pressure, it has the potential to melt and eventually to solidify and form an igneous rock. Notice how these changes can be illustrated in a circle. This illustration and process is referred to as the rock cycle. The rock cycle involves the continuous changing of rocks from one form to another.